Meet the Gears Universal Snowmobile Tunnel Bag. Engineered for deep snow with backcountry-ready features, but streamlined enough for trail riders who pack smart. With 4 organized compartments, there's a spot for everything. A large expandable main compartment handles your bulky gear. The slim top pocket keeps gloves and essentials close. And the side pockets on both ends are perfect for snacks, tools, or whatever else your ride demands. Do you need a spot for your shovel? Of course, we thought of you when designing this bag. Quick release buckles on top hold the shovel's head, while the hook and loop straps on the side secure the detachable handle. No rattling, no fuss, and no fear of getting stuck. Mount it your way with the 4-point cam buckle system, lengthwise or crosswise. It even plays nice with Ski-Doo's LinQ base. The entire bag is wrapped in highly water-resistant fabric. Covered zippers keep snow and slush out so your gear stays dry, even in spring slop. From its rugged carry handle to oversized zipper pullers made for gloved hands, every detail is ride-ready. Cold-resistant material stays flexible when temperatures drop. Reinforced stitching and abrasion-resistant panels take the beating so your gear doesn't have to. Finally, an anti-scratch base is kind to your sled's finish. As with all products, this bag is covered by the Gears ironclad 1-year warranty. Add to cart and seize your adventure.